at Mamila's itsura. The beauty of Mamila is nothing gonna change my love for you. We are not extends. Yan. We are truly madly the original. I'm going to hang up my apo because he's so kind. So I will give him a reward to wake up. I will hang him. I will hang Kyang Kyang because he's good so much. This is his reward. He is, my wish career is always ready even though I'm sleeping. While we are waiting for the mom and dad, so we are ready always the career because I cannot want the heaviness of this boy. I always give him a happy the whole day. A little cry, a little madness. So I experienced that to him. Then I will grab it into a happiness. Like, yeah, tingnan mo, look at him. He's talking to. While I'm talking, he's gaya-gaya to me. He's follow what I'm talking. He follow too. That's that's the one of Kyang Kyang. That's his. When we are vlogging, he's after we vlog, sometimes his feeling is bad mood. But when we are vlogging, even though he's not in a good mood, but when the camera is focused to him, he is smiling. His face very very talaga vlogger. He's a vlogger. This is a vlogger baby. He is 4 months old. But I don't think if the other baby is like him. Maybe the age of like this is very ano, very curious. And he wants to watch the cell phone when we open the cell phone and we are scrolling the cell phone. No, my friendship, he is watching. Then when he observed that we observe him also that he is watching that cell phone, so he feels shy. Yeah, mga friendship. That is my apo. Yeah, yeah, that's true. Oh, look at this. He's answering. Oh, hmm. This is a Maritisan grandson. Yan, when he become grow big, when he became grow big, he is my videographer. And he is my team. Yeah. Apo, di ba? I have companion to vlog. Maybe we can upload video. Now, we upload so many videos because every time he gives me a content. Oo, that's why we have so many content. But our cell phone is so very low na. Because 2017 pa yung cellphone namin. So, ayan na ang aking apo. He wants to create video. So, bye-bye to them. Bye-bye to them because our story is so long. They cannot watch long. They want short only. Yeah. Because we want to make a long form of video also, mga friendship. Because that's the highly recommended to us to make a long form of video. So, now, we reach into the limit. So, until now, mga friendship, please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Because if Mita is passing me in your FYP, meaning to see, I'm recommending you. Because according to Meta, my video daw is the high level of animal. That's why he scattered daw according to him. So continue daw. So this is what we are doing now. We're continue our vlogging. So until I'm mga bye-bye. See, bye-bye to the Oo. The saliva of my grandson is like a faucet. Oh, very, very. Bye-bye.